Doctors are amazed. This simple drink helps restore circulation to cold legs and feet. Many seniors are stunned by how quickly their comfort changes once they improve circulation. In my years of working with older adults, I've seen cold, pale feet grow warm again, swollen ankles calm down, and tired legs move with lightness. Not from surgery or pills, but simply from supporting healthy blood flow. When oxygen and nutrients finally return to the muscles and nerves in your legs, balance, comfort, and even confidence while walking can transform. And here's what surprises most people. Certain natural circulation drinks can begin working within just 24 hours. They help relax stiff arteries, open capillaries, and bring fresh oxygen to areas that once felt numb or heavy. Stay with me until the end, because drink number 1 works faster than almost anything most seniors have ever heard of. And you probably have the ingredients right in your kitchen. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, how old are you and where are you watching from? I try to reply to as many as possible. Drink number 6, green tea with fresh ginger. It might look like a simple cup of tea, but inside your body, this combination wakes up sleepy blood vessels that have narrowed with age. Green tea is packed with natural compounds that help arteries relax and widen, allowing warm, oxygen-rich blood to travel freely to your legs and feet. When you add fresh ginger, the effect multiplies. Ginger helps reduce inflammation and keeps your blood from getting too thick or sluggish. Many older adults notice a gentle warmth spreading through their legs shortly after drinking it, not from spice, but from circulation finally flowing again. This warmth brings comfort, less stiffness, and better confidence while walking. How to make it. Heat water until it's hot, not boiling. Add 1 green tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaves, steep for 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger or half a teaspoon ginger powder. Let it rest 5 minutes, then enjoy, mid-morning, about 2 hours after breakfast. Studies show that seniors who drink this twice a day often notice improved blood flow and less ankle swelling. The warmth of the tea itself also helps relax blood vessels for a short time. Add a teaspoon of raw honey if you like. It supports better absorption and adds a smooth flavor. Drink number 5, pomegranate juice with a pinch of cayenne pepper. A glass of pure pomegranate juice mixed with just a small pinch of cayenne pepper may sound unusual, but it's a powerhouse for circulation. Pomegranate's antioxidants help soften and relax artery walls, letting blood move freely through your legs and feet. It also supports nitric oxide production, the body's own messenger that tells vessels to widen and carry more oxygen. Cayenne adds an instant boost. Its active compound, capsaicin, gently warms blood vessels and improves flow within minutes. Many seniors describe a light tingling or warming in their feet shortly after drinking it, a sign that blood is finally reaching areas that were cold or tight. How to make it. Mix 8 ounces of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice with an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Drink in the early afternoon when circulation naturally slows. In studies, this combination helped older adults walk longer distances and eased leg heaviness in just 1 week. If the spice feels strong, eat a small bite of whole grain bread afterward to soothe the stomach. Drink number 4, beetroot and tart cherry blend. This combination is respected by both athletes and doctors for one key reason. It helps improve circulation even in areas that have felt weak for years. Beetroot and tart cherry juice work together through 2 different pathways to support healthy arteries and blood flow. Beetroot is naturally rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, the molecule that opens arteries and allows oxygen to reach the muscles in your legs and feet. This is especially valuable for seniors, since poor circulation often develops where oxygen levels are low. Tart cherry juice adds another advantage. Its plant compounds calm inflammation in blood vessels and protect their inner lining, helping blood move smoothly. Many older adults report less swelling, reduced heaviness, and more comfort while walking after drinking it consistently. How to prepare it? Mix 4 ounces of fresh beetroot juice with 4 ounces of tart cherry juice. Drink first thing in the morning before breakfast. If juicing fresh beets isn't convenient, choose cold-pressed, unsweetened juice instead. Avoid using mouthwash immediately before drinking. The natural bacteria in your mouth help convert nitrates into nitric oxide. Try one in the morning and another later in the day. Many seniors begin with just one drink daily for 2 weeks to see how their body responds. 2. How long before I notice results? Some feel improvements like warmer feet or lighter legs within 24 hours, especially with the watermelon or green tea drinks. For deeper results, allow 2 to 4 weeks. 3. Can these replace medications? No. These drinks naturally support circulation. They do not replace medical treatment. Always consult your doctor before making changes. 4. What if I have diabetes or avoid sugar? Choose unsweetened juices and teas. Turmeric milk and hibiscus tea are excellent low-sugar options. 5. What's the best time to drink them? Green tea, mid-morning. Beet plus cherry blend, morning. Pomegranate plus cayenne, afternoon. Turmeric golden milk, before bed. Hibiscus plus hawthorn, morning and evening. Watermelon smoothie, 30 minutes before your main meal. Final thoughts. Today, you've discovered 6 powerful, natural drinks that can help improve circulation. Try one in the morning and another later in the day. Many seniors begin with just one drink daily for 2 weeks to see how their body responds. 2. How long before I notice results? Some feel improvements like warmer feet or lighter legs within 24 hours, especially with the watermelon or green tea drinks. For deeper results, allow 2 to 4 weeks. 3. Can these replace medications? No. These drinks naturally support circulation. They do not replace medical treatment. Always consult your doctor before making changes. 4. What if I have diabetes or avoid sugar? Choose unsweetened juices and teas. Turmeric milk and hibiscus tea are excellent low-sugar options. 5. What's the best time to drink them? Green tea, mid-morning. Beet plus cherry blend, morning. Pomegranate plus cayenne, afternoon. Turmeric golden milk, before bed. Hibiscus plus hawthorn, morning and evening. Watermelon smoothie, 30 minutes before your main meal. Final thoughts. Today, you've discovered 6 powerful, natural drinks that can help improve circulation in your legs and feet. Green tea with ginger, gentle artery relaxation. Pomegranate with cayenne, warmth and nitric oxide boost. Beetroot with tart cherry, flexibility and oxygen delivery. Turmeric golden milk, inflammation control. Hibiscus with hawthorn, stronger vessel function. Watermelon smoothie, the fastest nitric oxide response. You don't need all 6, just pick 1 or 2 that are easy to prepare and drink them consistently. Stay hydrated, move daily, and give your body time to respond. Circulation improves with small, steady habits, not perfection. Your legs carry you through the best moments of life. Don't let poor circulation hold you back. Start tomorrow morning with one of these drinks, take a light walk, and notice how you feel over the next few weeks. Even simple routines can help bring back warmth, comfort, and energy to every step. If this information helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Senior Vital Health, and share your progress in the comments. We love hearing your stories. Your best years of health are still ahead.